Damages in defamation cases are all about restoring the harm done to someone's reputation. In Australia, courts don't just look at lost money. They also consider emotional distress, reputational damage, and the need to publicly clear somebody's name. There are four main types of damages. General damages compensate for hurt feelings and reputational loss. Special damages cover actual financial losses like lost jobs or clients. Aggravated damages apply when the defendant behaved maliciously, like refusing to apologise. And exemplary damages, rare but possible, are meant to punish outrageous conduct. Since 2021, under the Defamation Acts, claimants must prove serious harm to their reputation. This means minor insults won't cut it. You need real-world impact, lost business, professional setbacks, emotional trauma, or public backlash. There is a cap on general damages, currently set at $500,000, but this can be exceeded if aggravated damages apply. For example, actor Jeffrey Rush was awarded over $2.8 million, including aggravated and special damages after false claims damaged his career. Courts look at the gravity of the accusation, how widely it was spread, and how the accused responded. Did they apologise or double down and keep sharing it? That matters. A fast apology might reduce the payout, but denial or repeated attacks might make it worse. To win big, plaintiffs need strong evidence, testimony, witness statements, lost income records, medical reports, anything that proves serious harm. Without it, the claim might not even make it to court. At the end of the day, defamation damages aren't just about money, they're about vindication, clearing a name and making it clear the lies were just that, lies. If you've been defamed, meet the serious harm threshold, and want to seek damages, please contact us for a free initial consultation.